सहना भवतु सहना भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। कभी राम बन के कभी श्याम बन के चले, कभी राम बन के कभी तुम राम रूप में आना, तुम राम रूप में धनुष हाथ लेके सीता साथ लेके चले आना, कभी राम बन के कभी श्याम बन के चले आना, प्रभु जी चले आना। तुम श्याम रूप में आना, तुम श्याम रूप में आना, राधा साथ लेके मुरली हाथ लेके चले आना, प्रभु जी चले आना, राधा साथ लेके मुरली हाथ लेके चले आना। तुम शिव के रूप में आना, गौरी साथ लेके डमरू हाथ लेके चले आना, प्रभु जी चले आना, गौरी साथ लेके डमरू कभी राम बन के कभी श्याम बन के चले आना, प्रभु जी चले आना, चले आना, प्रभु जी चले आना, चले आना, प्रभु जी चले। Now sit for all. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Namaste children.
Namaste and a very good morning to all present here. A very happy new year to all of us. My name is Krisha. And my name is Grant from class 2N. And we are going to host today's morning assembly. Someone has nightly said, days are not lost when memories are created. Memories remain with us forever. Today's topic is winter, my favorite season. I would like to call upon Devanshi on the stage to say something on winter foods.
Winter foods. Winter foods. What do you think of when someone mentions winter? Heavy, inspired woolen clothes, chapped lips and cracked heels. Sure, winter is all of this. But did you also know that winter is the best season to improve immunity? So, how does one boost immunity during winter? As we are aware, immunity boosting foods are those that are fresh, organic, easy to digest, pure and wholesome. Thank you.
Thank you, Devanshi. I would like to call Krishvi on the stage to say something on winter vegetables. Winter vegetables, the most warming vegetables that are good for our body are roots vegetables like carrots, onion, garlic, radish, sweet potato, beets, turnips, etc. are healthy green winter green like palak, methi, sarso, muli, pudina, etc. Til laddus and til chikki need no introduction to an Indian. The warmth-giving quality of til sesame is also topped when you sprinkle on them salads, breads, and pastas and pizza. Thank you. Thank you, Krishvi. That was very informative. I would like to call upon Hiya to say something on winter clothes.
Winter clothes. Winter clothes are clothes used for protecting against the particularly cold weather of winter. They are expected outerwear like coats, jackets, hats, scarves, gloves, earmuffs.
Thank you, Hiya. I would like to call upon Krishu Sakaria to throw some light on how to take care of skin in winter.
Winter can be brutal on your skin which might go dry from exposed to cold dry air. It might be itched, grow red into red. Is a list of 10 easy tips of how to care for your skin in winter naturally. Drinking lot of water, using coconut oil, using aloe vera, applying honey, applying fuzz earth on oily skin, drinking pomegranate juice, applying yogurt, washing your face with milk, using tomato slices, using egg marks. Thank you.
Thank you, Krishu. I would like to call Vivek on the stage to say something on winter festivals.
Festivals celebrate in winter in India. Lohri, Pongal, Ram Mahotsav, Sankranti, Pushkan Camel Fair, Diwali, Christmas, Chhath Puja, Navratri, Jaisalmer Desert Festival, Bikaner Desert Festival, Nagpur Festival, Goa Carnival, Rajasthan International Folk Festival, Mount Abu Winter Festival, Elephant Festival, Ganga Mahotsav, Holi, Republic Day. Thank you.
Thank you, Vivek. I would like to conclude this program with this quote. The best way to predict your future is to create it. Please rise for the national anthem.
Savan. Be dead still, look straight ahead, and there's a part of the national anthem where we sing softly. Right? So this is the TGS way of singing the national anthem, a little different from the way everybody does it. So there's a soft part, and then you go back up again. Assembly, Vishram.